I'm going to work tomorrow morning.
I'm going to stay at home and relax.
I'm going to meet a friend in the city center.
I'm going to call my family this evening.
I'm going to cook pasta for dinner tonight.
I'm going to go shopping after work.
I'm going to study English for an hour.
I'm going to watch a film about history.
I'm going to read a book before bed.
I'm going to relax after a busy day.
I'm going to travel this weekend with friends.
I'm going to visit my parents on Sunday.
I'm going to go to the gym after work.
I'm going to wake up early tomorrow.
I'm going to have a very busy day.
I'm not going to work today because I'm sick.
I'm not going to go out tonight because I'm tired.
I'm not going to stay late at work today.
I'm not going to cook today. I'll order food.
I'm not going to do that right now.
Are you going to work tomorrow morning?
Are you going to study English today?
Are you going to go out tonight with friends?
Are you going to travel anywhere this month?
Are you going to call me later today?
What are you going to do after work today?
What are you going to do this weekend?
Where are you going to go tonight?
Who are you going to meet later?
When are you going to start working?
Are you going to work tomorrow morning?
Yes, I'm going to start early because I have a lot to do.
Are you going to study English today?
Yes, I'm going to study for an hour after dinner.
What are you going to do tonight?
I'm going to watch a film at home and relax.
Are you going to go out tonight?
No, I'm not, because I'm really tired.
Are you going to travel this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to visit a friend in Dublin.
Where are you going to go?
I'm going to the city center to meet a friend.
Who are you going to meet later?
I'm going to meet a colleague for coffee.
Are you going to call your family today?
Yes, I'm going to call them this evening.
Are you going to cook tonight?
No, I'm not. I'm going to order some food.
What are you going to eat?
I'm going to order pizza for dinner.
Are you going to go to the gym today?
Yes, after work, if I have time.
When are you going to start working?
I am going to start at 9 as usual.
Are you going to wake up early tomorrow?
Yes, because I have an important meeting.
Are you going to have a busy day?
Yes, I'm going to be very busy at work.
Are you going to relax later?
Yes, I'm going to watch something and rest.
Are you going to stay at home this evening?
Yes, because I need a quiet evening.
Are you going to meet anyone this weekend?
Yes, I'm going to meet some friends.
Are you going to work late today?
No, I'm going to finish on time.
Are you going to do anything special this week?
Not really. I'm just going to focus on work.
That's all for now. Good job.
That's all for now. Good job.